Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to find friends on Facebook by phone number. For this settings you have to open your Facebook profile, then you have to click here and click to log out. After clicking to log out, you can see the interface and click the right button mouse, then click to inspect and click here. Click to inspect and click here. Then click to forget password. Then write your phone number and click to search. And see guys, after write your phone number, the account has been got here. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new video notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.